Ooh. Gotta make sure we're covered up. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And I don't know if the camera, yeah, there we go. It'll pick it up. It is snowing today. It's not snowing, but it's snowing. Okay. I don't know where you guys live, but in North Carolina, if we're lucky, or at least where I live in Monroe, it snows maybe once, maybe twice a year. So when it does snow, you gotta kind of take advantage of it. So it hasn't stuck yet, but we're gonna go out for a little ride. And if it does stick, we are definitely gonna have a nice video for you guys. So we're actually gonna just explore around here. I don't have much land. I have maybe 6 acres here at my house. We're gonna go down the road and see if we can't explore some new stuff and just ride through the snow. The Polaris is right here. It is super duper dirty from last ride when we went to Broken Nut. I have not had a chance to wash it. And actually, guys, before we even kick off this video, I wanted to thank you guys as we hit 6,000 subs on YouTube. And without you guys, that would not be possible. So I want to thank you guys. And let's see if we can try to get this video to 500 likes. It might be tough, but if we do, how about this? If we get this video to 500 likes, I'll throw a snorkel kit on the 570. So thank you guys for subscribing. If it is your first time stopping by, make sure to watch the whole video. Stick around to the end, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss another upload. And for all you returning subscribers, welcome back. All right, boys, we're on the GoPro now. Gotta put my waders on. I don't know if I'm the only person that does this, but I tuck in my joggers into my socks whenever I put on waders, just so, you know, keeps it nice and tucked and so the pants don't rise whenever I put them on. Ooh, I got some water in there, boys. Oh, that's cold. Oh. Ooh. Oh, man, I got water in both of them. That's cold. All right, let's get this started. Man, this thing is straight filthy. It's so dirty. Like 25 degrees outside, so you know, gotta wear some gloves, keep your fingers warm. Oh boys, it is freezing cold. Oh, it's so cold. It's cold. Whew. Let this puppy warm up. Oh, my feet are cold, my hands are cold. A nice and beautiful Polaris. Ooh, you cold too, baby? Yeah, I'm cold too, don't worry about it. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gents, just be all warmed up now, ready to rip. We're gonna start off back here, and we have some dirt piles back here from truck drivers that have been bringing us dirt, so can't see if we can't play on those a little bit, then go down the road and then down the cornfields and stuff like that. See, it'll whip some donuts. Woo! Yeah, boys! Woo! Oh! My face is freezing! Man, I feel like I'm in Tokyo Drift. These wet floors are just sliding like nothing. Look, look, look. We just need that music in the backdrop. Look at that. I ain't even trying. I ain't even gassing with it all the way. Now I am. It ain't nothing but a chicken wing. Try it from this side. Alright, we're in high. Let's try low. Oh shoot. That's a big hole. Oh, this tire is in the air. Oh no! Ah! on now, Olivia. For the people that don't know, we have named the 570 Olivia. The beautiful Olivia. Woo! Woo! I got air on that one. Ah. Let's do it again. Oh, shoot. I missed a footstep. Let's go. We're going all the way up that bad boy. It's at 199. All right, one last full send and we'll go discover some other stuff. All right, let's get out of here. I feel like my four-wheeler's overheating. The temperature's at 199. I mean, my radiator's caked right now. I haven't washed it yet. Oh, full sand, baby. Alright, let's put a speedometer on this thing. Where's it at? Miles per hour, there we go. 20. Man, on the way back, we're gonna test out the top speed on this puppy. Cause when I had my stocks on it, it was hitting like 64 miles an hour. That was on my stocks. It was hitting 64 on my stocks. I gotta try it out now on the 28s and see what it'll hit. Oh, shoot. Sasquatch is gonna come out. Get me, boys. Know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna full send it through them trees. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, oh, shoot. We got water back here. Holy crap. Oh, shoot. Is this deep? Oh, shoot, this is awesome. Last thing I need is a snake to come out. I don't know about you guys. I'm terrified of snakes. Ugh. I'm scared to death of them. Oh, shoot. I think I got a hole in my waders. Oh, I can come this way. Come through here. What's this way? You got a big old stick in the middle. Oh yeah. Oh yes, sir. What was that? All right, guys. All right, two-wheel drive. Let's try it in two-wheel drive. I have actually been back here, but we were walking one time. Woo, yeah, baby. Man, this ain't even a snowing video anymore. I'm gonna call this a hidden swamp. I wonder whose swamp that is. My radiator is heating up, boys. 203. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, let's go right back through it. All right, guys, what kind of animals hide in swamps? Asking for a friend. it's not too deep. It's about a foot and a couple inches maybe. Oh, look at you, baby. You look so pretty. All right, this is supposed to be HIDs. You look a little yellow now. Wait a minute. How do I get out? Did I come through? Oh, crap. Ah! How do I get out? Oh, never mind. I found it. Man, this is... Ah, shoot. This is like perfect. Ow. The 570 fits perfect through here. Ah. I want to get permission from whoever owns this to ride through there. They'll let me. I mean, they farm there, but you know, it'd be cool. Woo, woo! Ladies and gents, we're about to finish this video off, but we have to do a high-speed test on the Polaris 570. Like I said, when I had the stocks on, it was hitting like 63, 64 miles an hour. We got 28s on it now. We're gonna rip it down on the way home, get a top speed of it, and that'll be the end of the day. If you guys want to see me snorkel this thing, you have to get this video to 500 likes. That's it. I've gotten it before. You just gotta get this video to 500 likes. We'll throw the snorkel kit on there. Rad, that'll come another video. That's gonna be another challenge. All right, so on your mark, get set, go. See, water was getting in my eyes. I had to let off, but I mean, it seemed pretty topped out. I think it read like 53, 54. Ah, I'm so mad. The snow didn't stick. Ah, I wanted the snow so bad. So whatever. Ah, and we're back. All right, boys, this is gonna do it for this upload. My face is freezing. I can't even feel my fingertips anymore. But this is gonna do it for this upload, guys. If you did like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment your ideas and your thoughts on the video, and overall what you want to see me do to the Sportsman. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, 500 likes and I'll snorkel the Sportsman. As always, guys, if you don't like this video, you're a half cinder. Catch you on the next one. Peace.